My name is Polly. Since I was a little child, my heart has always danced to the rhythm of art, seeking in each stroke and each color the vibrant essence of my being. NOMA Botanic is my brand, an expression of my soul in the form of art. Ecoprint is the essence of this journey, a true dance between plants and pigments. It is in this intimate dialogue with nature that my art flourishes uniquely, transforming each leaf into a visual poem. The eco-print invites contemplation and awakens awareness of the beauty of existence, providing a source of inspiration that motivates us to respect and celebrate the natural world. With organic patterns and earthy tones, my creations imprint ancestral knowledge, offering a conscious perspective on fashion and valuing sustainability as well as the cycles of the earth. Art is a mirror of my journey, a testament to 2 decades of uniting fashion, creativity, and environmental awareness. My creations arise from the sincere pulse of a heart seeking truth and harmony, inviting everyone to rediscover their connection with the earth and the awareness that blossoms from this union. Therefore, in the vibrant dance between what is and what can be, my mission reveals itself as the essence of my being. I make art a home of inspiration where life unfolds in full transformation.